Hello, I'm giving you a review of GripIt's plasterboard fixings. Supposed to be super duper and very powerful plasterboard fixings. First comment I'd like to make is the packaging. As you'll be able to see, I opened the packaging and everything fell out, so I've had to put these into some sort of order myself, as they all come in loose pieces. Now the idea of these is very good, and I was really keen to try them. Basically just a very strong, ideal item for fixing things in plasterboard. As you can see, I put up a bit of plasterboard to try these. This is a 20mm hole. Push the GripIt into the plasterboard, and then with whatever screwdriver, large Phillips, fix your screw into the plasterboard. This is a 20mm hole, so should hold in the region, I think it says 74 kgs. So that's a very good strong hold. Now, my issue with these items is, if you want to take these out, first of all, as you turn back, that unlocks the GripIt. Then you remove the screw, and you're basically quite fighting to pull the item out. It obviously, you don't want to damage the wall any further than you have to, and they're quite difficult to get back out of the wall. I've already broken one of these in testing, and I think to myself it's probably far easier to use the old style fixings. My apologies, GripIt. I just think there's a little bit of work to be done on these. If you get it right first time, every time, perfect. But as you can see, they don't seem to shut up quite as perfectly as they open. This makes it difficult for the end user to get them back out. I think the idea is great. I just think it needs a bit more work. All in all, I would say I would use them, but maybe for only something that's going to be not on show. You don't have to be dead accurate with it, because if you miss, it's not coming out and you're never getting another one in. Hope that helps you guys, girls, ladies and gents, and you enjoy an honest review. Thank you.